Welcome to How to Fix South Africa YouTube channel. Subscribe and share. The channel who speaks about solutions for our beloved country. In this 12th video we will focus on how to resolve the drug issue in South Africa. 1. Prevention and awareness campaigns. Educate the public, particularly youth, about the dangers of drug use through prevention and awareness campaigns. These campaigns can be run by government agencies, non-profit organizations, and community groups to promote awareness about the risks associated with drug use. 2. Treatment and rehabilitation. Provide accessible and affordable treatment and rehabilitation services for those struggling with drug addiction. This could include increasing the number of treatment centers and providing more resources to support individuals in recovery. 3. Law enforcement. Improve law enforcement efforts to combat drug trafficking and drug-related crime. This could include increasing police patrols in high-risk areas, providing specialized training to officers to identify and respond to drug-related incidents, and coordinating with international law enforcement agencies to disrupt drug trafficking networks. 4. Social support. Provide social support to individuals and communities affected by drug use. This could include programs to provide education, job training, and other resources to individuals and communities that have been impacted by drug addiction. 5. Harm reduction strategies. Implement harm reduction strategies to reduce the risks associated with drug use, such as needle exchange programs, safe injection sites, and drug testing services. 6. Address underlying issues. Addressing underlying social issues, such as poverty and unemployment, that contribute to drug use and addiction can help to reduce drug use rates over the long term. This could include policies to address economic inequality, increase access to education and job training, and promote community development. These are just a few examples of potential steps that can be taken to address the drug problem in South Africa. However, addressing this issue will require a sustained effort and commitment from all stakeholders, including government officials, law enforcement agencies, healthcare providers, non-profit organizations, and the public. Make sure you leave your like for us to get to more people. We count on you to make the change and be an active citizen in the South African society. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.